Hi, I'm Jamal, president of the Pocono Bobcats and head varsity football coach. Today we're here talking about the Pocono Bobcats youth football and cheerleading program. We offer a high-level competitive football program at 5 levels, flag all the way to varsity. We ask that you come out and check us out. We are the premier football program here in Monroe County. We accept students from all over, both East Stroudsburg, both Pocono Mountains, Pleasant Valley, and Stroudsburg. Our mission is solely for the student athlete and to make sure that when your kid leaves our program, they are ready to compete at a high level in high school football. You can reach us at 570-373-6190, PoconoBobcats.com, or PoconoBobcats@gmail.com. Have a great day.